Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to share a little tip that I like that, again, is just a simple reminder of who God is and that He's always there for me. So I have this little spoon and it has an engravement and it says, "I am with you always," Matthew 28:20. And it's just a little tiny reminder when I am about to, stir my morning coffee that, and you'll hear me doing that in the background, I am with you always. And it's just a simple reminder that God is there. And then when I get ready to add my honey, I really love raw honey. Again, that's one of the golds that, one of the parts of gold that God brings us through the earth is the raw honey. And I have many sources that I like. Some of them I purchase, at health food stores and stuff like that. And recently, I got some new honey. This is raw honey. It looks very hard at the moment because it's very cold and, colder temperature in here. So it's gonna harden up like that. Stir it in. And I'm gonna do a quick taste test. But I love adding honey to my coffee. Of course, when you're out and about, usually they just have sugar, but whenever possible, I prefer raw honey. So let me taste it. Pretty good. Yeah, it's a good way to start your morning. So I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. And again, I am with you always. And again, sometimes even if we just have a little reminder like that, a tiny reminder to get us going in our normal daily routines, it's just, to reset and refocus and know that the Lord God up, above, seek first the kingdom of heaven and all of His righteousness. That's where it's at, people. So enjoy your day. Bye.